The following video shows how to disinfect and calibrate Customed's Spiro Mobile correctly. Disassemble the Spiro Mobile. Remove the measuring head from the handle by pressing the release button and pulling the measuring head upwards. Then pull the mouthpiece off the measuring head. Remove dirt and other residues from the device before using a disinfecting wipe. Remember to repeat this procedure after each use. Also, clean the nose clip. Disinfect the mouthpiece and the measuring head after you have used them on 100 patients, or once a week. Observe the manufacturer's instructions on the disinfectant label. Comply with the manufacturer's instructions to ensure that the disinfectant concentration is measured correctly. Place the mouthpiece and the measuring head into the instrument tray and immerse it for the specified recommended application time. Now rinse the mouthpiece and measuring head with deionized distilled water and shake off residual water from the measuring head. Use a disposable tissue to wipe the surface. Make sure that no disinfectant residues remain in the device. Then reassemble the device. The release button must engage with a click when placing the measuring head. Ready for calibration? Then connect the calibration pump to the Spiro Mobile and connect the device to the software on your PC. Enter the volume of your calibration pump under Calibration and start the process. Pump air in a quick and constant movement through the Spiro Mobile until you see the message, Calibration successfully completed. The Spiro Mobile is ready for use again. Customed. Excellence in diagnostics.